Hi there, here's the Mi Smart LED bulb and it's actually already installed on my table lamp. Now we all know what smart bulbs can do. For those who don't know, sir, turn off the room light. Google, turn on the room light.
Okay, turning on the room light.
Most importantly, it works with both Echo speakers and Google Assistant smart speakers. Basically, you can control the Mi Smart LED bulb from smart speakers and even from the Mi Home app, which I'll show you just in a minute. But first, here's some info about the bulb. It's a white bulb, no colors, no yellow, just cool white light, which is why it's priced at just 500 rupees. You don't need any hub or bridge to use it, just plug and set it up directly with your Wi-Fi. You can use it with your mobile hotspot, but it's not the best solution. Having a dedicated Wi-Fi connection will definitely be more dependable. It puts out 810 lumens of brightness while using just 7.5 watts, which gets really bright. Also, it's very energy efficient. It comes with a 4-star power rating on the box. Something many would want to know is the base of the smart bulb. It's B22, the regular Indian home bulb plug, push and twist, which is why replacing your home bulb with this won't be difficult. It has a lifespan of 15,000 hours. To put that in context, if you use this bulb for 6 hours every day, it will last you for 7 years. Amazing. The build quality is actually quite good, really light, matte white finish at the bottom with Mi branding on the side, with some more power details here, and the bulb dome on the top. So once you get this out of the box and plug it in, you can use it just like a regular bulb as well. Turn on the switch and it will turn on, turn off the switch and the bulb will turn off. But obviously, you won't pay 500 bucks for a button operated bulb. So to set it up, first you'll need to install the Mi Home app on your smartphone. Android or iPhone, both will do. Once that's done, log in with your Mi ID, phone number or create a new account if you don't have one. Click the plus sign on the top right. Select lighting on the left menu. Click on the Mi Smart LED bulb. Then you have to turn on the bulb, wait for 2 seconds, turn it off, wait for 2 seconds and do this process 5 times. The bulb will start blinking, which means it's ready to pair. Connect to Wi-Fi. Now this bulb supports only 2.4 GHz single band Wi-Fi. Once done, you can set the name to what you want. I'm setting it to room light and you're done in a couple of seconds. Now from the Mi Home app, you can turn on the bulb, you can turn it off, you can also reduce the brightness, you can also increase the brightness. There is a scene mode for mood lighting, reading light, baby light, 50%, 25%, 75% and flash notifications. If you come to automation, you can schedule it to when you want the bulb to turn on or off. You can set it for once, daily or customized days. This comes very handy for your passage light, garden light. You don't want to remember turning it on and off anymore. You can even control the bulb's brightness using the smart speakers, just like this. Google, turn the brightness of the room lights to 100%.
Okay, setting the room light brightness to 100%.
Sir, turn the room light brightness to just 50%. But to voice control the speakers, you'll have to connect them once to the respective speakers. For Echo speakers, go to the Alexa app on your smartphone, go to the skills and games section, search for Mi Home skill. Here you can see it's already enabled. Once you enable it, it will ask you to log in with your Mi Home credentials. Once that's done, click on More, Add Devices, click Light, click on Mi, and Discover Devices. It will find your Mi Smart bulb and add it. Once that's done, you can voice control the bulb using your Echo speaker. For Google Assistant speakers, the process is fairly similar. Go to the Google Home app on your smartphone, select the settings option. Right at the bottom, click on Works with Google. Search for Mi Home. It will ask you to enter your Mi Home login details. Once done, you will see the room light bulb show up in your devices. And now it's ready to be controlled via voice. You can even group more smart devices and use them all together, which you can set up from the Echo app or from the Google Home app, depending on which smart speaker you have. Alright, Simple, easy to set up and pocket-friendly smart bulb. It comes with a 6-month warranty as well, and you can get this for just 500 rupees on bee.com. If you want a smart bulb with color, then you can buy the one with 16 million colors, and it has the same features and is priced at just 799 rupees. I'll leave the links of both in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feel free to mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.